Welcome to Friday's Market Wrap-Up here at Wealth Creation Investing. Matthew Buckley. I'm the Chief Investment Strategist here at WCI and over at Top Gun Options. Before we get started, make sure you go to topgunoptions.com/2014-WO. That's 2014-weekly options. We're doing a live trading session Monday, April 28th at 1 p.m. Eastern. Going to be talking about our afterburner trading. Weekly options can potentially be very, very profitable. We'll look at a couple examples here in a couple seconds. And you can also get your rear end handed to you if you do not learn how to trade these instruments correctly. Okay, there's a lot of potential downside risk, but conversely, there's also a lot of potential upside if you know what you're doing. Like in the sands of Iwo Jima, John Wayne said, life's tough. It's even tougher when you're stupid. So don't be stupid. Go to topgunoptions.com/2014-WO and sign up for the live trading session on Monday. Okay, we called this, guys. If you've been watching my sit reps over at Top Gun Options, my financial situation reports, sit reps, we called this. I said, when we have these Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday-ish rip your face off rallies, we see a break on Thursday and then we give it back on Friday. Okay, it's kind of a parabola. Each one of these weeks, it's a parabola, but the parabola is a little biased to the upside. In the absence of Putin moving on Ukraine, China imploding, something big or really, 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 really horrible earnings, the market has a bias to go up just because Ms. Yellen is going to wipe our nose, pat our rear end, and make sure no harm is going to come to us. When she goes away, I don't think she's ever going to go away, then pullbacks will be sustained, in my opinion. But even then, as we're seeing over in Japan with the Nikkei, when the Nikkei throws a temper tantrum that Governor Kuroda or Abe is going to help the market out, after halfway through a temper tantrum, they collapse and cave and give in and do something to help the market out. So it's very, very, very interesting market that we're trading in right now, but you can set your watch to it. Obviously, some jitters about Ukraine, but just because the financial media aren't talking about it, Comedy Central here, CNBC isn't talking about Ukraine, doesn't mean we don't know about it. My traders and subscribers at Top Gun Options and WCI, I just got done a Wealth Creation with Options webinar. We know all this, and we've been hedged. We have a bullish double vertical on the VIX that's making a nice move today. I think up almost $1,000 on the big pop in the VIX today. So you can potentially profit as the markets go down. You just have to have the right trades on, the right hedges. And that's what we do here is we teach people how to do that, okay? And obviously, before you put any real capital at risk, after you're done your training, you have got to talk to one of those 500-pound heads, those financial advisors, registered investment advisors, broker-dealers, smart people, okay? So we had a mixed bag the rest, throughout the week with economic indicators here in the United States and in China from the flash manufacturing PMI that came in line in China to existing home sales, new home sales, core retail sales, saw some PMI, weekly unemployment came a little heavier than expected. So kind of a hodgepodge this week, not major macroeconomic data. And as I said, barring a big miss in major macroeconomic data, the market has a bias to go higher. But after we do it, everybody kind of looks around on a Friday. Hey, I don't want to be long going into the weekend with Vladimir running around out there and something potentially happening overseas in Asia as well. Time to start thinking about selling in May and going away here. So we had a great time trading this week in a lot of our model portfolios. Again, our weekly options model portfolio, since you want to sign up to it. Sign up for it. We have an SPX Iron Condor that's looking as long as by a couple hours from now. The SPX is between 1865 and 1885. This trade makes a max profit of, survey said, about $2,600. Okay, so it's shanking a little bit to the left here with the SPX. I don't think we're fully going to implode here the rest of the day. And then a Goog Iron Condor as well. That's hovering right around 517-ish, just below break even on this Goog Iron Condor. If I can get Goog to bounce just a little bit the rest of the day, this trade might potentially make a gain of $3,200. And even if it hangs here at this goalpost, look at the break even to the downside, 516.45, and we're right there. So this trade could potentially profit even if we just hang here the rest of the day on Google, right? So if we hang here, what's the current price here? 516.50. Look at that. There's a $150 gain. Yay. Beats a stick in the eye, though. So that's an example of what weekly options can do, man. These were going down the fairway perfectly all week. And then on a Friday, all hell can break loose. Okay, so you got to stop by Monday so you can learn how to potentially trade weekly options. It's got a bull put spread on Chipotle. It's at 502 right now. As long as we stay about above $500 by the close of business today, this trade makes $1,200. Okay, so a lot of good stuff. Weekly options can be fun. They can be a real pain in the ass, but if you know what you're doing, you can manage risk and potentially win. Okay, so stop by Monday, April 28th at 1 p.m. I got to get going because it's my son's 14th birthday today. Going to take him out for a birthday lunch, and also we have a Trade Monster webinar at 1 p.m. over at Top Gun Options. So if you're interested in checking out a demo of the Trade Monster platform, check your email. If you're not on the Top Gun Options list, you can go on our homepage and get on our list, or you can shoot an email to support@topgunoptions.com or click on the link in this email to attend that webinar. Okay, got to run. Have a great weekend. I'll be back with Monday's Market Outlook here at Wealth Creation Investing. We'll see you.